And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 95. Let me show you the swatch library. Already shown you these are the basic swatches. This is what we've used so far in our tutorials. You can see the last two rows. They have kind of like a folder. And when you click right here at the bottom left of this menu, you can access more of these. So this is swatch library where color palettes, you could say, are stored in folders. And you can add them to the fill and the stroke, obviously. Let me open a different one, and let's say we liked this one a lot and we wanted to add it. You can do that under Add to Swatches. But before you do, just left click here on this folder, and this is going to select the entire row. Now open the settings for this menu, Add to Swatches. And if you scroll down, you can see them now here. So we can access them very easily. Let me get back to the first one that I've opened, Ancient. I'll select this group via the folder, Add to Swatches. And there it is. You can also delete them very easily right here with the trash can icon, just in case you've misclicked. One more thing to add, in this swatch library there are also patterns. So some of these, for example here, are not really colors, they're patterns. So here are dot patterns, but the principle is the same. And this is how you can use the swatch library in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.